In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the background color in a Klaviyo email. Whether you're looking to make your emails pop with your brand colors or simply want to experiment with a new look, this tutorial will help you achieve that effortlessly. First, let's start by navigating to the Master Styles tab. You'll find this on the main sidebar menu on the far left side of your editor screen. This is your control center for styling your email, where you can adjust everything from fonts to colors, ensuring your emails align perfectly with your brand's identity. Once you've clicked on the Master Styles tab, scroll down until you reach the Background Settings section. This is where the magic happens. You'll have the option to change two key background areas, the email background and the outer background. The email background is the area behind your content blocks, while the outer background refers to the margins or the space on the outer edges of your email. Choosing the right colors for these areas can significantly impact how your emails are perceived by your audience, making them more engaging and visually appealing. Next, click the color square next to either email background or outer background, depending on which area you want to change. This will open up a color selection tool. Here, you have a couple of options. You can either select a color directly from the grid palette, which presents you with a wide range of colors to choose from, or, if you have specific brand colors in mind, you can paste your exact brand hex code into the input box. Using your brand's unique hex code ensures consistency across all your marketing materials, reinforcing brand recognition and professionalism. After selecting your desired color, the last step is to save your changes. This is crucial to ensure that all your hard work doesn't go to waste. Saving locks in your new background colors, and you'll be able to see a preview of how your email looks with the changes you've made. It's always a good idea to double-check your email's appearance after saving, just to make sure everything is aligned to your expectations. And that's it, you've successfully changed the background color in your Klaviyo email. This simple tweak can have a big impact on the overall look and feel of your communications. Remember, experimenting with different colors can lead to discovering new ways to engage your audience, so feel free to try out different combinations and see what resonates best with your subscribers. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your email marketing strategies. Happy emailing!